What's up everybody, this is Dallas Stone here, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you the soft selection tool in Blender. In Blender it's actually not called the soft selection tool, it's actually called the proportional editing. So here we have a sphere in Blender. I'm going to go to edit mode so you can see all the vertices here. And to have soft selection now, right away, in my opinion, and this is my opinion, Maya has a better way of showing you the vertices and the edges that are going to be affected when you have your soft selection or proportional editing turned on. So this is disabled by default. If you enable it and you select a vertice, for example, in Maya you would see the radius and all the vertices that will be affected. In Blender it's done slightly different. So for example, if I now move this vertice, I'm going to click on the x-axis here and I move it slightly, you're going to see this gray circle that appears on my screen. I have my left mouse click held right now. If I go page up or page down, you'll start to see this circle getting smaller or bigger. This is showing you kind of the radius of the areas that are going to be affected. If I move this right now, you'll see that that's roughly the radius there, right? And if I make this smaller, you're going to notice that only a small amount of it will be affected, right? Let's say I want this to be bigger, so page up, right? Now I can move this around, right? And you can see how much it's being affected. And again, I'm going to put page down this time to show you a smaller radius. Now it's going to affect radius. There you go. So that's proportional editing. It's right here, disabled, enabled. There's all these different options. For me, I just typically use smooth. I'm sure there's tons of other reasons why you'd want all of these other ones. But yeah, that's just a quick rundown on proportional editing or soft selection in Maya. It's called proportional editing in Blender. All right, see you guys next time. Bye now.